In this video, I'm going to show you how to start the Husqvarna E-Series 440 X-Torque chainsaw. This startup procedure can be applied to most other Husqvarna chainsaws and many other manufacturers' chainsaws as well. This is not a safety video and it is not meant to show how to safely start or use a chainsaw. The way that it works is you're going to pull the choke in the back out, lift it to the number 1 position. You're going to prime it 6 times. When you're priming it, that's purging all of the air out of the carburetor and the fuel system to help it to easily start. After you do that, you're going to pull the cord once. Now before I do this, for all the safety guys out there, this is absolutely not a demonstration on how to safely or properly start a chainsaw, because it should be done totally different and this is not being done in a safe manner. This is for demonstrational purposes only. We're going to pull it once. It's going to die down. We're going to drop it into the run position and then we're going to pull it again. And then when you're done, you just push the choke down and that's your kill switch to stop it. If you like this video, make sure to check out the other videos I have with this saw. One showing how to replace and adjust the bar and chain, and then another one giving my review on this saw after using it for a weekend on my 8-acre wooded property. Then I have another video combining the breakdown of this chainsaw's features along with how to start it and my review all wrapped up into one video. So there you go. If you enjoyed this video, if it helped you out at all, please like it, comment to let me know, and even better, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, guys.